lifted up. Oh, you can't. I can't even talk. I'm so excited. Okay, so I was on Twitter, right? Because I be on Twitter. If you know me, you know I be on Twitter. And I was on Twitter and I saw this girl post these boots, right? They were so cute. They gave me Bratz vibes. I was like, oh my goodness, Bratz boots are a real thing. Like, they're for real. And she's like, I got it from this place. And I was like, say less. So I started going into the comment section like, show me the link. And they showed me the link, y'all. When I clicked on the link, I saw it, I was like, but they were out of stock, right? This was before my birthday. So then a couple weeks go by, these pictures, more and more pictures of these boots started popping up. I was like, this is a sign. I meant to have these boots. I meant to have these boots. So I was like, all right, I'm going to keep stocking the website. When they come back in stock, I'm going to get them, right? So I intend on buying them for myself. But the Lord said, Bernice, please, you have a birthday. No rest. Because when I tell you, they went back in stock, like literally days before my birthday. I was like, oh, I meant to have these boots. There's nothing no one can tell me I meant to have these boots. So one of my homies, right, for my birthday, was like, yo, what do you want for your birthday? I was like, there are these boots. And he was like, all right, send me the link. So I sent the link. He was like, oh, say less. Bought them for me. They came in the mail. I've had them for a little bit because, you know, I want to unbox it with y'all. So we're going to unbox it right now. These are the Demonia cults, whatever you call them. Child, I call them the Bratz boots because they Bratz boots. And you can tell me they're not Bratz boots because they literally look like Bratz shoes. Okay? All my life, I've wanted to be a Bratz doll. And I finally can be. And I'm so excited. Okay, let's unbox it together. Okay. Like, when I say I have not unboxed it. I haven't. Look, the whatchamacallit, to hold it together, still there. I was waiting to do it, y'all. Don't say I don't love y'all. You better not say I don't love you. I have an all-white fit in mind. And I'm really excited for it. Because these boots will set it off. Okay. All right. Bernice, relax. They're just boots. But they're not because y'all don't understand. I have a passion for fashion. Bratz catered to my passion for fashion. Bratz did. I don't care about all these little people out here. No, Bratz. They knew what was up. They knew what was up. They knew what was up and it was stuck. And you know, it's up and stuff. Okay. Oh, this is the brand, by the way. This is the box. Okay. I was reading reviews and they said to go up a size, so I told him to go up a size. My normal size is 10, but I got it in 11. Let's hope that works out for me because it needs to. It needs to. I'm like nervous. Like I'm like scared. Well, I'm like excited, but I'm like scared, but I'm like excited. You know? Like you ever be excited but nervous but excited? Okay. We're gonna lift it up. Oh, you can't. I saw the fur. If you know me, you know I love fur. Oh, give me a second. Give me a moment. Oh, yo, it's perfect. I haven't even taken it out the box. I'm gagging. Yeah, he's gonna be my friend for life. Like, we're locked in. He's not allowed to leave. The fact that he really got me this, because I sent it thinking he wouldn't get it. I really thought he was joking. I was really playing it like, okay, I'm gonna mentally get it eventually. He said, no, I'm gonna get it. And I was like, yeah, okay. I thought he was capping, but he wasn't capping. And this is why you need friends that don't cap. Can y'all see? Ah, my lights are too bright. Hold on, I'm gonna dim it. Okay, I still look like sweet, sweet sugar banana. Okay. You guys. Yo, look at them. Look at the heel. Are you kidding me? Do you see these? Do you see it? Listen. Let's go. Oh my goodness. I was born to be a brat. I would have been best friends with Sasha. You can't tell me I would have been best friends with Sasha. And with these, I finally can. These are incredible. No, these are like white though. Like y'all, these are white. This isn't cream. Cause you know some people be trying to play and be like, it's white and it be cream. No, they said white and they meant that. They put this stuff in some Mrs. Stewart blue dye and made this joint white. Head white, boots white, nails white. Are you? Okay. Let me get the other foot out so we can try it on. Okay, we're gonna try it on. Oh my goodness. I'm like terrified. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go. Okay. Perfect boots stay right here. And it stood. I said stay, and it stood. You need boots that listen to you. If you don't got boots that listen to you, sorry about your life. Okay. I'm gonna cry. They're just so perfect. It's like I pull one out and it's like perfection. I pull the other one out, it's perfection. And they say perfection doesn't exist. Okay. We're getting rid of that. That's not important. That box, don't need it. It's probably going in recycling. Okay. I think I need to position y'all in a way so y'all can see me put it on. Y'all going down, bro. Let's put y'all down. You say turn. Why y'all turning? I'll wait. We'll be back after these messages. Okay, so I took all the stuff out of them. And for right now, I'm gonna have to put them on with no socks. So ignore that, okay? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hold on. You guys, hold on. I don't think you guys understand. These are sickening. Wait, let me lower these lights so y'all can really see. Oh yeah. Okay. These are sickening. Oh my goodness. Wait, can y'all see? Do y'all see these? They fit my calf. They fit my calf. Do you see? Look at them. Oh my goodness. And they're really comfortable. Like, they're really comfortable. I feel so tall. Oh my gosh. Clunk, clunk, clunkly clunk. Clunk, 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 clunk. Clunk, clunk. Oh my god. Look. Okay. Okay. Let's try the other one. It's so high. It's so high. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Putting this on is an extreme sport, low key. Okay. I need something I can balance on. Ah. Ugh. This was a little harder to do. Why is this one harder to put on? There. I'm like, this one's so much harder. The other one was so easy. You guys. Child, not me forgetting how to tie a knot. Look at them. Look at them. All my big cast girls, these are for you, girl. They're so cute. I love them. Okay, that's it. That's it. I just want to show you guys. I'm a rat doll. Alright, bye guys.